Chief Executive Member ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council ba punya Ching Siem ulapoi bantep kerteng kum kertong ke National People's Party banya aireng hak election MDC sya Khas Hills Autonomous District Council nanong Thamai constituency. Syaban lech sya ISBT lawan bensanan lang ba punya da KCM jangka Autonomous District Council ka than chati lamingi bakun thop yu Deputy CM ka Borolan Territorial Council o Govinda Basumatri bade UEM ka Karvi Anglong Autonomous District Council wa Vijit Kro member ka Chakma District Council Mizoram ulakan Chakma bat kibe habakren jilap thai bor hadin gejing tep kerteng ba penyaj ulong ba kamat kejengu ha kini election kalong baya ka shispa 8% constitutional amendment kadan kam namar ban pinklan shishu ya ki knit ke ban riu balada la banwara ya kini ke amendment kanwara gejing mentoi na bentar ke jela habakli halo gejing dawa ke VPP ya ke artikel laispa nyopwei ba penyaj ulong ba kipat ba na nagalan belada nupa ya ke artikel laispa nyopwei ki kwa ban pentrikam ya ke knit ke ban riu tang hangta langsung thu ke babiang bana kaliang jungu kwa ya ke artikel laispa nyopwei Shushu ulong haba phai chaka district council omdai bandan kano ke jing ekran mat party hakmat hene ki basha jit ke ban pechwa yak jingdan kam pai ba bu shwai ke party shadin
leaders doing that way of council what's in the Now, Bapak Niat CCM hadir melak syajib kumu kandidat jong ke parti NPP na Kandriu Nong Thamai constituency Syaga District Council na semai keteng jong play ba ngan buat iki kendon renti kat kum ke constitution jong kali India bat ki an peladan hakan na mentang buat renti penek pensa Hakari India kowe wish Bunteli kimat hakabaide bakkan ka general election Syaga District Council jongka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council kabanlong haka arkoi tarik jong ni rempang te kabaningkong shwa nga shwa ban pensngau kumne kum unong ilam jongka Confederation of Northeast Council ba mikmat nakamenta shiphautali ki Autonomous Council hapo syatay than lamingi Northeast so ban ong ba ai kublay kerpang nam ta ki nong ilam jong kini ki Autonomous Council ba pher ki baydon lang ru menta kasngi I ba Basumatri de napo di Deputy CM jongka Bodolan Territorial Council Pak Rakesh belong chairman jongka HPC jongka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council nang ta Rakesh Abhijit Kro belong EM jongka Karvi Anglong Autonomous Council dan nang ta Chakma Lakan di member jongka Chakma District Council na Mizoram batru idan saiway route na po Tripura District Council Territorial Council wedan lang kani kajing wan jongki ban senran yangi mentakasngi ka dan jingmut bat ka kya jingmut hadu kata-kata balai namar lingba kani kenhun ka ba nilai kendu nakapor syakapor mentala jan arsnam duna kathong hi ka jongi baro jongki Autonomous Council hapor Northeast kathong ro jongi kalong barakumno banla banpen urlong ya kajing wanra ya ka 125th Constitutional Amendment ha Parliament. Balay ngong kumta nama kani ka 125th Constitutional Amendment kalong kabadan kam hadu kata-kata namta kibabun ki Autonomous Council ha Northeast. Kajing tumu ban wanra kani ringkat kijing ajing mut kijongi baro spotli ka Autonomous Council kalong banang penklan syushu ikani ka amendment om banang pentelot banang penklan syushu te ha kajing ya lenti kajungi ni slow ba gila persyangkat bala ni ki asnam duna but small tenat banong banyathu bawat honorable CM jongka Bodolan Territorial Council, Honorable CM jong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, i Maharaja Pradyut jong Tripura Territorial Council, kidan hadelhi ban penbait kerpang nakamenta ban budbin ya kani kam jong 125th Constitutional Amendment. Kumbakalong kajingi kendu kajongi dangshen mentala kumba arpanai tam hadelhi but menteri kampo Union Minister jong Home Amit Shah bala ai kajing kular bayakan ni ka amendment jong ka 6 schedule la banwan ra no mentah kini ka dorban mang tingka jong ka sokar India te lada la banwan ra ya kani hakani kenti mentah kan long kajing mentoi ka bakrau kan long kajing job ka bakrau namta kipai ba khamtam jongi hapo mehlia bat jong babun ki state badani ka 6 schedule dan namar ba hapo jong kani ka 6 schedule amendment rawan ra bun teli ki kendon ki benang penklan syu namta ka jongi ki ba kentup habaide ba kajing habaide ba kani ka kendo ka siap ba nang aibor syu ini nang ta habaide bat ka sensyal khadar nadu ki et ki hima du ki shnong ki tha bat kabalai nakamenta kajing mentoi ka bakrau bangila banyo naka sokar India lingba ka jingmang pisa tingka lingba ka taka artikel aspa rapo kaba te ka jongka Finance Commission te kani dikimat ki bakongsan bat kaba bakhadu pat kamat ka bakongsan ka bangikum ka Khasil Sandrabos District Council ringkat baiba PNCM ringkat baiba Tito Starwell Khan ke bangila ebut din la aslam ba ni bu kajing kerpat ika sokar India kajing kentu bahakan ni ka amendment kan don ru ya kane kajing penyar ya ka tribal areas kumbalong haduk menta hakan ni ka 6 schedule ka bangi don ni menta kamut hapo khasi jengkia ki don ki municipal area normal municipal area te ngi hakan ni ka amendment ni ong baro kinam don municipal area shu kin hap dut haka 6 schedule area kani kan dei ka we ka jingjok ka jongi ka ba nem dan shu ban yo ban so khle hangno hanoru te kata di ka jing mentoi jongi yangi kumki council hapo Meghalaya but hapo North East la ban mentoi haki liang bob her kat kum ka jing don kam jongki district council leni autonomous council territorial council haka jaka jongki ka ba arpat kum candidate jongka Khandriu nong my constituency but kum sitting MDC jong sa kham but caretaker CM komenta ngasuben ong badang dangdon sakat tu kat ni ki kam kiba ni de ban penbai hapo district council ka jongi te hoi langi phai ka kam thau ai kiba pun nila persyang kat bala hai ni por ba lingkot hai kan ni ka term ka jongi hakini ki henrius nam nila persyang kat bala banwara ai nama balai Namar baka bor jong ka 6 schedule ka ong ba the power of the district council and regional council to make laws. Haka paragraph ka balay. Paragraph number 3 clearly says that the power of the district council and regional council to make laws. Mula ay boringi ban ni ki MDC ban sinaan. Ki ay kita ki an ki subject ki per to. Te khandiat ngasukwa ban pentip ki ba lingba kalat pathai kubor. Ba kani ka jing persyang da jongi hakani ka term menta hakini kisan rus nem kla long sha ka jing kerkhui ki pai ba no shnong da phai ya ka khando ka siap nilayo e ka lan ak arhaja arpuwe lan ak nangta nilayo ru ya ka amendment jong ka Ilaka Administration Act 2023 ka ba itu ya ka jing trekam jong kiseng samla hakishnong itu e ka jing trekam jong kiseng kenthei seng longkume hakishnong but ban itu ru ikirang ba dong haman kishnong but ikajing trekam ka bapura jong ka dorbar shnong balai ni angnut pha ban penlong anye kane kadaw hi ka long pilai i kijing sniu ki babun kila bandrung hakishnong menta ka imlang ka salang ding phai ki jingdi basniu ki bala bandrung ni suthu tamna ka bor sarkar nimla ban wengi kini jing e but kane ka jing aibor ka jongi kum ka district council iki seng samla seng long kumi seng genthei hapo kishnong ba per ikirang ba dong kan long ka kti kamon ka kti ka diang ya ka sarkar ban ya khun ya kanunu ka jing sneu ha ka imlang salang kata di ka ba ni angnut ling ba kini ki ai But kidonru ki an habede baka Social Custom of Lineage Act, Amendment Act, arja apulai. Kani pat dekawai na kaan ka ba ngishim na kaan kami mo ka Principal Act jongka khat khandai spa khandai punyo jongka Social Custom balai namar ngi kum ngajat penriu ngi ajat syaka kami hang ne po rikasi ke jungi. Te kata kelak don ka definition na ne ka kata ka jing batai nang no ngi kum ngajat penriu khasingin shimjat naka kami. Mendai naka gentai naka kami lada piong simjat naka gentai mut ngalasha dengan yok kurim ngasong kurim mut ngahap ajat mut sekalop kamdai kuta henry ni jat bener khasi ni pensiong nong rim ya kani haka tipkur ka tipkha te dei halo kata kasami kani ka Social Custom of Lineage Act khat khandai spa khandai kunyo banang pen bahas isu kani ka act ni wanra amendment arja apulai nakamenta ban bante song ban penyeteli ya ki sengkur ki dorbarkur bat kirang bakur jongi kum makalong menta tangi phai ka jingtho ka badang shen jong i late Reverend Yarrington Kharkungot hatu kapor ngapek ka kot baitho mi lai hajar teli ki kur khasi lalap bat menta ngapek ya ka kot ka batho I ba Rafael Wajri badang shen I don kumbasan hajar teli kita ki kur ki jai khasi jongi te umdan ain pat kabante song bat penyeteli ban batai ki ke jing terekam ka bagi de betre hakikur ki jungki te ling ba kan ka amendment ka bangi dang wara dang shen ka bangi la yo ke jing menjur na ulat hau benai Oktober aja arpusau kani kala long shisha ka jing kurku ya ka jai benriu hi baro namar ka kur di uthit snam jong ka jai benriu lada pra ki kur ki jai ki jungi dan jai benriu te namar ta ka daw ngi smo ba kani ka jing persyang jungi hakindak por bengi dan hadis council kala long ka jing toy ka bubun bat kumjur ki babun ki an ki bangi la persyang hakan kata menta kum ka hima khairim ba asnam bat hadin brayot council ru hadin yopu arsnam sayo ka jing itu codification ya ka hima khairim ka ba don kum ba khat saus pa teli ki shnong bat hima khairim ka ba he ba ka shnong te asu ban ong ba kani ka de ka ba sultanat ban pentip yapi ba nalor ka thong ka bangidon namanta ka jingpin klein ya ka 6 schedule tang hapo rikhasi re baro ka north east bangi long teli lang kumne we are united together for one common objective that is to strengthen the present 6 schedule with this coming amendment in parliament that will be expecting very soon that this Modi government in Delhi will place this amendment on the floor of the house in parliament. So we as all the council representative from different council within Northeast under the umbrella of Confederation of Northeast Council, they have come here and very thankful for our leaders who have come to express our unity and to be united together that 125th constitutional amendment is very important. So my request to all the people of Meghalaya, all the people of Khasi Hills, Jante Hills, during this time of election, please see that you should vote for a person who can deliver. And nakalyang jonga na syukintu ya baro ki baik nong nong jong kari Khasi ba Jantia ki banjit economic mat suba jit ya kita ki bala bentre ya kakam nama kakam jong ka dis council kam dei ka basuk ka dei ka ban bah bat mental li bakadon kani ka constitutional amendment kata ka 6 schedule amendment ha parliament kam dei ka basuk wat ni bala bud dien bun sien ru teng ka ngi kre du men sim namar ba kakam ka kre ban pejak no henry nakalyang jini aso ban kentu ya ki nong baro ba pin alam ki jingkershan ya ki kandidat ki ba ki dei ban ai jingkershan namar kari Khasi berkowe Jante Hills ngidang dan kam ban pen klaimnya ka 6 schedule ngadon tangkat ni ban ong lada ki paipa nong Nagaland Eastern Nagaland ki belak don ya ka article 371 kidangwan ya kendu yang ni ban ong ki kwa 6 schedule to ya bishar ni mapi ka jing trekam ka jing don kam let's say ka ba khambiang namata ban sensya khadar hapo ka ri ke jongi tetang ka wei hakani amendment ke jongi ru ni labu bada kumno baka para 12A kanam dei bendan shu namar balai namar khnang ba ngin su thu ke kata ka subject jong district council bangin sinai ke subject jong state kani banam dan jing tungku ban ya dan la ka jong jing buram kani ro de ka we ka benta ka para 12A should be removed in respect with the concern of Magalia or the Khasi Hills and Jati Hills. Jing yi jonga habai day ba ka MDC election baro hi ngam i ban ban jikta nama kibriyo kipai ba no sushnong ki di basuthu namar hakini ki MDC election ki MLA election ki jiet brio om ki jiet party but ka basut na shishu ha district council ngim dan party ken mau bhai kan ngim dan party ke ka party ka bangi affiliate mentaru kum mangaru ngayo form A form B na ka party NPP ngadan kam yo sembal nama habakut kani ka khubor ka bangmut ban Aisha baro ki candidate ki bayakun but let's say on the job ru basobha bawat nembu syai ka parti hakmat bu syai ya upai ba hakmat leave aside the party affiliation interest and people's interest should be first dia kata de ka ba nakalyang jungi ngikwa ban pensko but nakalyang jungi ngikwa ruban ban ai kani ka khubor ka basyai syabaro ki nong yakun election ki badai ki candidate but ki ban sa job ru lada day ba kin poi syakat hong jong jing job sobha naibu ya kata ka mat parti hakmat dan ye kanon kanong rim parti pek syai kanong rim jong ki pai ba but jong ka 6 schedule district council satre but sabu ita ka parti schedule babni kamdan ra nama ka jingele hi ngihap be election kawan kale election ni job ngiram ritang kaway kamensim syakri pai ba kam namdu na wat ngamlong eru kat ka bangala labor ngan syakri kata ka badon kam nadu por covid ngalong tang MDC habadon kam ki pai ba kat tu jing ngi tenrong lang ngi benrap lang kat ka bangila ban yarap pai ba te banong tang nakadaw jong election ka jingram hidu na mensim syakri kita takim dei kinong syakri pai ba
that Mr. Sim, the former chief of Khasi Autonomous District Council, has submitted his nomination, and as a representative of 5 district council who have support, we are strongly behind him, just in support of him. One from Tripura, one from Karbi Anglong, one from Garo Hills, and one from Chakma, and I'm from Boreland Territorial Region. We have 6 district council in whole Northeast, and we have one conglomerate organization out of these 10 district councils called Confederation of District Council of Northeast. Under this banner, we are trying to work together for resolution of all the district councils. We have one common issues, and just the result of that common issues, we are pressing the government of India to amend 126 of Constitution, and we are happy that 3 chief of our district council, Mr. Pramod Boro, the chief of BTR, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, the chief of Karbi Anglong, and Mr. Pradut Deb Burma Maharaja, the chief of Tripura Tribal Autonomous Council, their campaign in the parliament just to place the issue that the amendment of the 126 of parliament in the parliament. So we are expecting that this 126 will be amended. 125 will be amended, and if we get that amended, the councils will get more autonomy in regards of economics and other aspects. We are trying to work together for the betterment of all the councils. So here we have supported the NPP, especially the chief, former chief, Mr. CM, And we'll continue our work together for the betterment of the councils and the people.